Vusimuzi Kate Matlala. Hayi izicommissioners bengicela ningishiyele nje noba iyafunyana ngoku. Already seyininzi into endiyithethile. Nizawuzidefenda njani ecourt kulamatyala enijongene nawo? I mean i-defense strategy enzayisebenzisa sesiphi? Simfikele lo xesha i-commissioners. Laa nto kumane evika ngalaa nto yoba andifuni ukuzi-incriminator ayisamsebenzeli incam ngoku. Uze wanyanzeleka ukuba asebenzise into ethi andifuni nyhani into yoba mandivele ndenze i-defense strategy sam sibe wiki kwisayidi lasecourt because lo umcimbi ubungasalungi ncam. Apha amagama avelayo kule testimony yanamhlanje nge-26 ka-Agasti 2026 kwitestimony kaVusimuzi Kate Matlala ngamagama ekaVusimuzi Kate Matlala ubudlelwane bakhe noGeneral Sinona obuye balida kulaa meeting yakhe uVusimuzi Kate Matlala noGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wethu. From apho kwavela even kwi-conversation yakhe noGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kwaba khona laa nto mos efaka igama likaMr Steve Mutsumi lavela kwavela igama nje bedlula elikathato ongunyana kaGeneral Sinona since ke kunala evidence eyafakwa ngombulazi kubonakala ingathi kwakukhona ama-properties nyana nje babefuna ukuthengelana wona uyena uVusimuzi Kate Matlala nothato haya wamamitha nje thizeni bayithetha nje azange badwele match kuyo. From apho kwagqithwa nakuRafati hayi from apho bafowethu apho kungathi nje kuye kwagxininiswa khona kakhulu kukumcimbi onokwenza nobudlelwane bukaVusimuzi Kate Matlala no General Sinona. Awu madoda hayi ke akagqibanga uVusimuzi Kate Matlala kutshiwo nje into yoba uzawuphinde abuye idate basezayiconfirma because uVusimuzi Kate Matlala kusamele uba aphindele kula trial yakhe andithi bisaphoziwe kwangoku njoba futhi baye badecide ndoba mababe sebesebenzele exesheni njoba isaphoziwe itrial mababe bemsebenzisa kuMahlanga Commission. So ngoku ubuyela ngapha so nayo idefense likaVusimuzi Kate Matlala ichile into yoba izacela into yoba bake banikeza ithuba bafocus ngapha ya. Before ndingela kwenye nenye bafowethu ngowakhe umlomo uVusimuzi Kate Matlala uwakhiphile amagama athi la meeting yakhe lo General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi inogalelo kubeni koba endaphi banjwa. Okay, sibuye napha. Hayi man Vusimuzi Kate Matlala sike sikingene kubudlelwane bakho noGeneral Sinona. Udibene noGeneral Sinona nadiyaniswa yini? Ngubani uGeneral Sinona apha kuwe? Hayi uGeneral Sinona ngumuntu endimregada like iGrootman nje ubhuti omdala. Oh hayi akayotshomi because umdadlana nje apha kum. Oh okay, nidibana phi? Hayi the first time bedibana babesemtshatweni kwenzeka ukuthi bahlele etafileni eyi1 apho emtshatweni. Oh the second time babesemtshatweni. Hayi ke after i-second time kulapho ubudlelwane babo baqina khona. Hayi ke ifone number mose sezi-exchangewe sebezamane nje becheck uphana. Hayi lokudibana nje uvumile into yoba ngabantu besoloko bedibana futhi ingathi indawo eninzi bebedibana kuye kwelicala laseGauteng mose uGeneral Sinona ihead yamaHawks kwela cala laseKZN phofu beke ngoba i-past tense xa beke seGauteng bebedibana eMinlane cash up kwi-apartment kaVusimuzi Kate Matlala. Okay hayi ke so nje baqinisa nje bobuhle. Okay so iyathini lento into yoba nize nibe nobubudlelwane osobuqine ngale ndlela? Hayi ekambeni kwethuba baya babona nje I think kubone igazi eliladibana. Hayi ke bafowethu ekudibaneni kweligazi asike singene kwezi chats zenu because icacile mos ikhona ubudlelwane benu okubonakala ingathi buqinile obuvela apha kuma chats. Ingabe uGeneral Sinona unogalelo na kule tender yakho iMedicare 24 owayifumana eSAPS? Hayi akho ndima kayidlalile uGeneral Sinona but nje into eninzi uVusimuzi Kate Matlala ebengumuntu ongafuni ukuyiphendula because uthi ba under investigation. The matter is under investigation. Kuvela apha ke ngokwinto yoba is it a matter that has anything to do with the Medicare 24? Hayi, not really. It's other matters. Hayi bonjani. They were having ama-intentions wezinye i-projects. Buzani thini project yakhona enye yazo i-project okubonakala ingathi uVusimuzi Kate Matlala ebezayo ofara ngama-protection service kumuntu ozaba i-prime minister kwiside laseLusuthu. So ke ngoku uGeneral Sinona yakhumbula khona bayeke watsho khona into yoba babeke bathethisana ebengumuntu nje oza resigner even apha esipoliseni. So ebeza resigner ajone i-company leyo mfowabo. Hayi ke isikhundla beke ezawufumana i-position hleke kancinci yam enguVusimuzi Kate Matlala wathi hayi bekeza ubona nje bezazikhethela ndathi madoda. Okay nguGeneral Sinona lo. So ubudlelwane babo bulapho. Okay Ithini lento njoba kubonakala ingathi bese nithumelelana ke nomcimbi okwenza namathenda kune video apho kubonakala ingathi nithumelelana khona after sokhona ama complaints oba awu comply okanye le company yakho Vusimuzi Cat Matlala ayi comply hayi ndicela ingaflyithwa because ngenzeka into ba the matter ise court wathi uhasi mayidlalwe because bese idlaliwe anyway ibisilichithekile is pointless uthe sithi yeyiphi ayo yese court wathi omya yandiyazi ithi idlalo uzachomva ithe xa idlala ndaqonda baya kulate dlaliwe ngoba ekudlaleni kwayo ayivele inokwenza nala Medicare 24 ibonakala ngathi imeeting apho kubonakala khona into obuVusimuzi Cat Matlala wayithumelela uGeneral Sinona but unento ethi uGeneral Sinona akhondima kayidlalile phi kule tender yakhe hayi ke kukhona apho kuvela khona at a later stage nento ba ke uGeneral Sinona mosigulo kwavela into ba wathumelelana noVusimuzi Cat Matlala ama details unengi ngulo waziwe ngawuthola ngoba wakhi uyakidnapana ngulo kutshola ngoba icase yakhona uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi baba tortura at some stage kule meeting kaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi naye uVusimuzi Cat Matlala bebefuna into ba mayiwithdraw yonke mosilonto leyo so kunama details ke ngibonakala into ba uGeneral Sinona wawathumelela uVusimuzi Cat Matlala hayi even i details zoGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi yavela mosilando le nalapho ke nje kuthathiwe into ba yathi wawumcelile hayi ndandingamcelanga wavela wanthi nje bhim enye into bafowethu ebalulekile velayo apha naku kwenzeka uVusimuzi Cat Matlala ngowakhe umlomo uthi umcimbi wala leta yokudisbandwa ke political killings task team yena wawufumana wayila leta wayifumana nge2931 in between 29 to 31 zika December so uyifumane even before abanikazi beleta esithi yena wayifumana kuVusimuzi Cat Matlala uyambona futhi baxa ke no man uVusimuzi Cat Matlala uthi uyifumene kuBrown Mkhotsi and uyambona xa kethetha abona abantu akabazonda okanye akazimisele into ba he's going to take them with when he goes down uBrown Mkhotsi noNunu former police minister uBhekicele because nje every now and then unento ethi hayi ngaba okay so wena by the time ke because apha ezichatini thina besithetha ngechat esinokwenza apho kubonakala khona nithumelelana yona no General Sinona so wena uthi uyithathe kuBrown Mkhotsi yena uyithathe kuBrown Mkhotsi days before so bafethu ithini lento wayeyithatha apho uBrown Mkhotsi ileta uminister Senzo Mchuna kathi yena wayenza nge31 kwenzeke into obuVusimuzi Cat Matlala uthi yena by 29 le leta yaseyifikile emehlweni wakhe bafethu ziyakhabana ngokuxamba yaphaqulana nikukhona apho uGeneral Sinona ethethe izinto uVusimuzi Cat Matlala ezinye zakhona uyaziphika so akuyiyo nje into engathi njalo kungenwa kule meeting ngoku since kobo benobudlelwana mosibe noGeneral Sinona kwaze kwenzeka la meeting kaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi sixelele ngale meeting kwenzekani hayi meeting yakhona ya-arrangeka baze baya pha ekuyeni kwabo bafika uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wayehleli on the other side kwicouch naye uVusimuzi Cat Matlala ehleli on the other side hayi madoda kuthiwa inqa General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi awayeze iphakamise nemilenze phakamise nje nenyawo so uGeneral Sinona wayengekho kude i-statement okanye i-testimony kaVusimuzi i-collaborator nekaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kumcimbi woba la ndawo incinci uGeneral Sinona kumele into yoba i-conversation wayiva njoba wafika pha kuMadlanga Commission wathi nakhonto akayiva kule meeting but uVusimuzi Cat Matlala uthi hayi incinci la ndawo kwakumele into yoba wayiva phansi koba ke kuthiwa wayezithe vram naye uVusimuzi Cat Matlala khona phetho khona into yoba hayi wayebhizi nje ngewhisky uGeneral Sinona kulapho kubuzwa khona into yoba izinto ezinani izithetha ithini into yakhona hayi ke kukhona apho nyakhumbula bekethe akafuna ukungena kwimicimbi ncamo because yiyo into emenze futhi abe uze ubanjiwe la meeting kaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ndanento ethi does this confirm into obunkabi beke busy ba investigator ake zathi yena ngomlomo wakhe iphayile apha la arrest yakhe nje inegalelo la meeting leyana asiyazi bafowethu kuthi njoba kulapho nje ukuthi hayi man njoba sesithathe uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi unamagama kathi wena kuloyo ndo meeting yeni khona apho namcelela khona ubuGeneral Ntosibiya ufumana imali unabantu abamnikeza imali bafowethu uVusimuzi Cat Matlala uyosaba ukubiza amagama babhatala uGeneral Sinona akafuni nokusho ba umiddle person ngibani but usibhaqase ke tshilo into yoba kuno middle person waze wabe futhi uyalitsho negama loba nguSearch Mfana Nkosi aniulibalanga ndithi la mcimbi wamabheko weWoolworths nakwela side lo kati so Mulifi apho kwabonakala khona into yoba beke yicollector uSearch Mfana Nkosi So iveze uphunyukela waze watsho wathi yabona sendilibizile igama lakhe and bendingazimiselanga ngolibiza mna igama likafani Nkosi, but nje enye amagama Bra Steve Ntomutsumi nani uyosaba. According to yena futhi uthi uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi weza enye information nje naye ngathi iyaphatheka, kungathi nje ufuna ukuconfirma from apha kuye uVusimuzi Kate Matlala. Yebantu bafowethu siyaqhubeka apha. Let me take you just a step backwards, ne? uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi the time eleku ad-hoc committee uveze into yoba uVusimuzi Kate Matlala since babenala meeting beno General Sinona bamxelela ngotata uSteve Mutsumi. Akuyena waqala ukuva ngoSteve Mutsumi noba apha kule meeting yabo lapho bemxelela khona into uGeneral Sibiya ingathi umane ekoleka apha and kwavela into yoba uBra Steve Mutsumi ingathi nguye umuntu oseke take over nguye umuntu oseke take over ingathi apha kuma big 5 and then ke ngoku ubuzwa ngalonto leyo. Hayi uVusimuzi Kate Matlala nje into nokwenza nemali uyombona into manje uyosaba ukuthetha ngento nokwenza nomcimbi wemali, but ke okunye nokunye nje uyabona into ba uze nje ezixelela into ba uzathetha la kafuna ukuyithetha, especially implicator ababanye akangabafuna kabazondayo zino Brown Mokgotsi no Minister Nunu former police minister wamapolisa, but enga-implicator aba hayi kulapho ebhoke khona uCommissioner Khumalo wamxelela wathi wena into ekwenza into yoba ungafuni ukuphendula ngento nokwenza laba bantu noba bebebhatalana noGeneral Shadrack Sibiya asikuba wena usaba ukuzi-implicator. Wena wasaba uku-implicator abo bantu abo, not because wena you will be self-incriminating. Ekwada futhi umbona nje into buyatsho uba lento sixelela yona ayikho. Bafowethu sizawuphinde siqhubeke netestimony kaVusimuzi Kate Matlala sive into yoba iyawuzala nkomoni, because right now hayi sebeyaxelana seke sixelele into yoba umiddle person omuntu bekubonakala into yoba bekehambisana nemali nguSearch Mfana Nkosi icollaborator ke ngokwesi story. Ngaphezulu ungumuntu ngathi ufuna uwavezile amagama ingathi usafuna ukuyolwa even le ndlela akabanjwe ngayo uba uzayilwa phansi okanye izathini hayi asiyazi bafowethu, but is going back for a trial.
Do you ask General Sinona to send you that letter?
No, this letter got it from Brown Mokgotsi.
You received it from Brown Mokgotsi?
Yes.
Okay, but you may have received it from Brown Mokgotsi, but in this chat, General Sinona sends it to you. Do you see that?
Oh, he sent it to me?
Yes.
Okay. I thought I sent it to him.
Okay.
Look at page 5.
No, I'm not disputing what you're saying, but I
Okay,
thought,
all right.
yes,
Or you were just missing.
You might have shared it with him as well, is what you're saying. You shared that letter with people?
yes, because I received this letter, I think on the 31st, or 31st, I think, or 29th, somewhere there, from Brown Mokgotsi.
Did you also tell Brown Mokgotsi that it was the PKTT that raided your house?
No, he had that suspicion, Brown, but Mr. Cele confirmed it to me.
After Mr. Cele confirmed it to you, did you tell Mr. Brown Mokgotsi that you now believe it's the PKTT that raided your house?
No, I'm saying he already knew that, but I just didn't believe him because by then I already had my suspicions about him. But when Minister Cele told me, then he just confirmed what Brown Mokgotsi told me already.
Oh, Brown had already told you that it was the PKTT
yes.
that raided your house?
Yes.
Thank you.
So is that how you came to know that it was a PKTT? Through Mr. Mokgotsi? And then you relayed that to General Sinona?
No, I'm saying Mr. Cele is the one who confirmed. I did not believe, oh yes, Brown Mokgotsi told me, but at that time I did not believe anything that comes from him. So Mr. Cele just confirmed what Brown Mokgotsi told me earlier.
Oh, I see. By which time did you not believe anything Brown Mokgotsi told you?
When he started asking for money to pay investigators.
When did he ask for that?
Soon after the first raid.
So it was still in 2024?
Yes.
Okay, we'll come back to that. For now, I just want to stay on this letter, because in this chat, General Sinona sends you the letter. My question was whether you asked him to send it to you. You've explained you did not ask him. And in fact, what you say to us, you already had this letter in your possession.
Of course I did, yes.
Yeah.
For me, because that's exactly the point the last point I engaged Mr. Matala on. I even said, this is only about you because the answer came from you. But otherwise, it's not about you, it's about those other people. So whatever the right that you are asserting may be, simply does not make sense in this context. Ms. van der Heever, let me give you an
Chairperson,
opportunity.
I'm trying to find
Yes.
a practical solution here for this issue because I don't want us... In his evidence under oath during the ad hoc committee, when he gave evidence, Gerald Kunazi on this very day or the next day said he recorded the whole interaction between himself and Mr. Matlala. Maybe I can ask that that be disclosed to us. That would make it very easy for us to deal with the issues. I'm sure that that evidence must be available, and I can take my client through it and we can deal with it then before yourselves. No. That's a very simple answer. You utilize...
No, Ms. van den Heever, no. The witness can say that if he wants to, and he will be engaged about that kind of response. In fact, it has happened where he has referred us to other people and he was told why that was inappropriate or that doesn't help the questions that are being asked. You let the witness answer questions, please. This is not an objection. You are not objecting.
And I'm not answering for him. That's
and you're not
what I'm
arguing
saying.
a point, but you've answered the question for him. I suggest you let Mr. I think Mr. Matlala has shown to be competent. He understands the questions. I said earlier, and I meant it when I said, I assume that his legal representatives have advised him about what he can do, what defenses he can take. But I think, let him answer the questions, please.
Matlala, you heard me, that my takeaway from all of this is that your concern is not the worry that you'll implicate yourself. Your concern is the worry that you will implicate those people that you told General Mkhwanazi that General CBI is collecting money from. And that's your real reason for not wanting to answer this question.
No, that's not the real reason, Commissioner. I already said that I do not know if Mr. Mutomi was giving General CBI money. So I cannot say something that I do not know. So what I said I know is that, yes, other people, which I cannot name people that I do not know. But I will know the facts, yes. But maybe the question that you're supposed to ask me is, how do I know that?
Maybe then, because you've just said now, I know that he's collecting money, but I don't know the people he's collecting money from. Did I understand you correctly?
Yes.
And then you said, maybe if I ask you, how do you know those facts, then you will be able to elaborate.
Yes, not the names of the people
No,
who are
I'm
giving
past
you
that.
money.
You said you don't
Yes.
know the names.
Yes.
But you are able to elaborate if I ask you, how do you know that?
Yes.
Yes, so I'm giving you the opportunity.
So you want me to mention the name?
You don't know the names, but you
No,
know
the name-
facts and you are able to elaborate. So I'm giving you the opportunity to elaborate.
Okay. From a third person, not from him directly.
What from a third person?
Come again?
From a third person, but not him directly.
Yes.
What did you hear from a third person and not him directly?
I heard him saying that he went to collect money.
Who?
I'm saying I heard the third person saying that he went to collect money.
Who went to collect money?
It's the third person that I'm saying I'm not willing to mention his name.
The third person, you had a third person say that third person went to collect money, or did you hear from the third person that General Sibia went to collect money?
Yes.
I think that's what we're seeking to clarify. Is it the second one?
Yes.
A third person told you, or you heard from a third person, that
To-
General Sibia went to collect money?
The third person told me.
Yes,
Yes,
that General Sibia collected money.
yes.
All right.
From the third person, from that third person? General Sibia went to collect money. This you are told by a third person. Did General Sibia collect the money from that person, that third person, or from some other person?
No, that person, I will say maybe he was. How can I put it? What can I say? Someone, a middleman. I don't know how to mention it.
Did you say a middleman?
Yeah, let me say a middleman, yes.
They were a conduit of money.
Come again?
That person was a conduit of money between General Sibia and somebody else.
Yes.
Is that what you're saying? Thank you.
And the somebody else, do you know who that somebody else is?
Yes, I know.
And who is that person?
It's Agent Ngosi.
Sergeant Nkosi.
Yes.
I just want to be clear. Are you saying that Sergeant Nkosi is the middleman, or that Sergeant Nkosi is the one who's making payments?
No, I said the middleman.
The middleman. Okay. My question was actually who is making the payment through Sergeant Nkosi?
Yes, I said I don't know.
Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that answer? Because it seems inconsistent with what you've been saying earlier. Because we've been going around this issue about other people making payments. And my understanding is that earlier you said you were aware of other people who made payments, but you did not want to mention their names. So you're saying now that you don't know the person who made the payment, but you know that the payment conduit was Sergeant Nkosi.
Yes, I said I did not want to mention his name, but now you said I have to mention the name, so I just did.